Friends, today I have a rechargeable bulb. So how to repair this bulb using a pencil? So let's see what is inside. I want to check. You see this, guys, this one, and this one SMD is totally dead condition. So I want to replace this. Okay friends. Now then I required a pencil. Done. Now let's check. I have a series connection. Series mode. Series mode check. So let's check. Now using diffuser I will check. Diffuser will add. I have done. Now let's check. Okay bulb.